What's up? This is Bisayang Chef. Today we're gonna make a simple and easy Spam Musubi. Spam Musubi is a Hawaiian local dish. You can do it as a dinner or a snack. It's good. My kids love it. It's one of my favorite food. And let's do it. So we need a soy sauce, a cooking wine, a rice sushi, and obviously spam, and we need sugar, and we need the nori, the seaweed wrap. And to make my life easy, I got the spam slicer and I got the rice mold. This is where the magic happens. I'll put a link below down the description. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so now I'm not gonna throw this one. I need to clean it up, and I'll show you how to do the rice mold with or without the rice mold. So now I already cleaned this up. See, there's no more grease in it, so I'll use this later. And we'll slice the spam. And voila, there you go. Okay, let's cook the spam. See how nice the cut, it's even. So we're not gonna cook this for a long time. We just need to have like a golden brown each side. There you go. Once it has that golden brown, then I'm gonna go flip it. Okay. All right. There you go. So we'll just wait till we cook and then I'll put it aside. Then let's make the sauce. So now we're about to make the sauce. Let's put a cup of soy sauce. And then half a cup of cooking wine. Then put the sugar. I'll put to medium heat. So now guys, as you can see, it's already boiling, so we'll put the Spam back, just a quick dip, just to soak in the sauce. And just flip it right away. Okay, there you go. So let's cut the nori into two. Okay, so now let's do the wrapping. So now I'm showing you how to do the molding part. So as I've said earlier, you can use this to mold the rice and the Spam. All you need is just the plastic, like a food plastic wrap. So you're just gonna go dunk it in. Here you go. And then you gotta put the rice. Okay, now you just gotta go push it in. Okay. And now let's put the Spam right on top of it. And then take out as you can see, it's right there. The rice is just formed into like a rectangular form. Okay. So now I've shown you, I'll just throw this one up. So we'll wrap this one. The rice is a little bit sticky. Go. Spam Musubi. There you have it, guys. My homemade Spam Musubi. Hope you like it. This is my first actual video shooting, so please help me grow my channel. And if you like it, just click the button like and share, comment, and please subscribe. I'll be making more videos. Thank you so much and see you next time.